Hello people, welcome back. I am Rajat Patel and today I am going to be discussing what is NewsAPI.ai. Let's go to the site first. This is the site. Now, every second, thousands of news articles are published around the world. But how do companies, governments, researchers, and the AI systems track all this? That's where NewsAPI comes in. In this video, I'll explain NewsAPI.ai in the simplest possible way, including concepts, categories, languages, locations, and how AI-powered news are being monitored and how it actually works. Now first I'll request you to generate an API key for yourself by going to the website. You get 2000 free tokens to test the API. I've tested the API and I'll show the files. We'll start with this code that's called India Political plus Refactor. So I refactored this code to generate a PDF file and it gives news on Indian politics. So the first thing that you enter is your API key. I'll show you this is how the API key looks like, and then I've selected the mode, that's today's date, and then you enter the concept, that's election, and I'll explain everything later on because I'll tell you how the code works first. So you have entered the concept, then you give the category, that's politics, and the location, that's India. So this particular application or the API is also known as Event Registry. It's an AI-powered news intelligence platform. It collects articles from thousands of newspapers, websites, blogs, television media, and online publishers across the world. So instead of you manually visiting websites to read news, we can simply go ahead and develop a code and that can use NewsAPI.ai to automatically fetch articles in real time. Think this as a giant smart search engine for global use. Now how it works. NewsAPI works using filters called query conditions. These conditions tell the system exactly what kind of news you want. For example, you can search using keywords, and keywords are the simplest type of search way. It's the simplest way to search news. A keyword means the exact word must appear in the article. So for instance, if you have used, say, I'll show you an example. If you have used, say, Vijay, then it's going to be searching for articles which has this name called Vijay. So let me go to the article first. Now let me go to the code first. This is the code and I'll show you the keywords out here. And this is the keyword, as in just let me go ahead and scroll the, So now out here I've used, initially I've tested the program using Vijay's keyword, Vijay's name, and then I've tested the program by using the keyword Pratik Yadav. So this is a simple program and simple code, and let me run the program and then see what happens next. So it is fetching articles and it has fetched 200 articles. Now this is the individual political news. you can see the peak gather by, you can see all the news on this particular person. Now we'll go to the next code, that's India plus politics, and this code has been refactored to generate a PDF again, and we have understood what keywords are. You can use it to search for people's names, products, location, and this gives you the exact search on that particular person. The next is concepts. Actually, you must be wondering what concepts are. Concepts are where AI becomes powerful. So now, instead of searching the exact words, NewsAPI.ai understands the meaning, and now concepts may return articles about elections, parliaments, campaigns, government policies, and voting, even if the word politics is not directly written or mentioned in the code. This is called semantic understanding. So when you enter, say, politics, it is going to be researching other words which are similar. Concepts help AI understand how, like, the topics are understood by humans. Next is categories. Categories organize articles into subjects. So you can tell the platform only to show news on, say, sports news, business news, political news, or technology news. Categories help remove unwanted articles and reduce noise. Similarly, you can choose languages and locations. I'll test Hindi news also, as in, give me a second. So this is Hindi news, and now let me go ahead and run this code. And now so the file has been generated, election news Hindi, and here you go. This is the news in Hindi. So these are some of the modifications I have done to the code, and you can go to the website. This is NewsAPI, and you can go through the API documentation, and you can learn more about this particular application. And I hope this particular video is helpful for you to go ahead and retrieve news or information. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.